All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Bandit CTF games over at overthewire.org, and this is Bandit level 18 to 19. So let's go ahead and start the exercise. So over here, we're going to run this command to log into the level. So we've got Bandit 18 using SSH to log in. And we're going to wait for the connection to come through. Okay, so we need to paste in the password from the previous level, paste it in, hit enter to log in. So the problem is that it says enjoy your stay, and then it says bye-bye. So they close the connection as soon as we log in. Why is this happening? Let's go ahead and take a look at what is actually happening on this application. Let me grab my presentation PDF, like slide files. Okay, so what are we talking about on this level? We're talking about the SSH command on login. This is how we're going to be solving this level. So as soon as we log in, it logs us out. It says bye-bye, and then it closes the connection. So the login for this level is designed to log the user out as soon as they log in, so they can't read the password for the next level. So what we should probably point out right now is the level goal. And the level goal for this level is the password for the next level is stored in the file readme in the home directory. Unfortunately, someone has modified .bashrc to log you out when you log into SSH. So we need to read this file, but we're logged out as soon as we're logged in. So how can we finish this? Let's go ahead and go back to our presentation. Where's that thing? Here we go. So SSH can be used to run a command immediately on login. And through this method, we can read the password for the next level. So we know that the password for the next level is in the README file. So all we need to do is run SSH with this additional argument right here, which is the command we want to run, which is cat readme. So let's go ahead and do that. So whoops, over here, we're going to run the same command we did last time, but we're just going to add cat readme to the end. Okay, we're going to run that. It's going to ask us for the password again. We're just going to paste in the password, hit enter. And then instead of our actual login message, we get the output from the command, cat readme, which is the password for the next level. So we just need to use this as the password for the next level. Okay, so this is Bandit 19. This is the password. And let's go, before we finish off, let's talk about what we learned in this level. So in this level, it's Bandit 18, our username. Password is this. The objective was the password for the next level is stored in the README file in the home directory. Unfortunately, someone has modified .bashrc to log you out when you log in with SSH. How did we solve this level? So the method of solve for this level is the system logs you out as soon as you log in. We can run SSH with an argument to read the password file as soon as we log in. So we just need to run the same SSH command to log in, but we just need to tag this little additional command on in between the double quotes, cat readme, and that's all we need to do. Okay, so everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for level 18 of the Bandit CTF game over at overthewire.org. If you enjoyed this guided CTF walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.